Hello all. Welcome to the Goat channel. This just in. We got a couple of piggies in a parking lot. I'm on a public sidewalk as usual. There seems to be an alarm. Let's see if I can get a closer look for you. There's a couple of piggies for you. I don't know what they're here for. And to the person who donated to my channel, this one's for you. Hopefully I can make it worth it by maybe some kind of piggy contact. And apparently got a couple of skaters, people on skateboards. Don't know, maybe they're employees who accidentally set off the store alarm. I don't know. All I can tell you is there's a patrol car. What the heck? Let's get a little closer, shall we? Okay, there's 2 units on scene. So what happened? An accidental trip of the alarm?
Sorry?
The alarm. Somebody accidentally tripped it? Ah. Okay. Well, I've worked at places where, like, management or whatever has tripped the alarm accidentally.
Oh yeah, that's happened.
So yeah, that I hear the alarm. That's what I first thought. But yeah, I'm one of those cop watchers, if you must know.
Oh really?
Yeah, I film the police to make sure they obey the law and respect other people's rights.
Yeah.
So, yeah, naturally, alarm, 2 units.
Yeah. There's more earlier. There's like 5. There's like 4 or 5.
Yeah, I didn't want them to violate any of your guys' rights because they've done it.
Yeah.
So if you ever go on YouTube, type in like First Amendment, you'll see a whole list of us. I'm known as Desert Goat, DZRT space then Goat.
Oh, okay.
So yeah, chances are you'll see this by tomorrow evening.
Oh, okay. Right on. So we're gonna be on YouTube. Is what you're saying?
Well,
You didn't record me, right? I'm gonna make sure that
I didn't get a good look. I didn't get a good look of you.
No, I'm just making sure. I don't really want to be like being recorded.
Well.
No, I was just asking. Like, it's cool and everything.
These people like that though.
Yeah.
It's cool that I see a lot of videos like that on Facebook and stuff like that.
Yeah. Well, I try to respect people as much as possible.
Yeah.
Even though the law may say different.
Yeah.
But I try to respect them.
Oh yeah. Definitely.
Now, if a person comes up and starts acting like an asshole,
Yeah.
then I put them on.
Yeah, I get you. Yeah, no, that's cool what you're doing.
Right.
Yeah. Have a good night, man.
You guys too. Oh, I will. All right. But yeah, we got 2 officers, according to the 3 gentlemen. There was a lot more. I'm not sure where the siren's coming from. But, okay, it's coming from a little restaurant across the way there. The car, that's where it's coming from, the car. Sorry, all. We got one car that's number 464, and the other one's 941. It is Monday evening around 11:40 p.m. Okay, the car alarm is stopped. And as you guys can see, they're just sitting there. Oh, it's just started up again. But yeah, I guess the alarm's a little sensitive. Nobody's even near it. And there they go. Little pigs, run as fast as you can. Because you sure the hell ain't the gingerbread man. Or woman. Alright, oh. And as you can still see, car's still going off. They're running from the goat. That's right, piggies. This is the goat's barnyard. Run! Alright, see y'all later.